Good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Marites Ana. I am 37 years old. I have 3 kids, 19, 14, and 1 year old. I am married. I am the third of the family. I am a Roman Catholic.
How many brothers and sisters do you
I
have?
have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
And what is your educational attainment?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country?
Dubai, ma'am.
How long you work in Dubai?
6 years, ma'am.
For 6 years. How many employers?
I have 2, ma'am.
2 employers.
Yes, ma'am.
In your first employer, how long you worked there?
2 years, ma'am.
Is this a helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many helpers in the house?
Only me, ma'am.
2 years. So you finish your contract,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
5 members, ma'am.
Who are the 5 members?
I have
Who are the 5 members?
the three children and my mom and sir.
Okay. How old the kids?
The kids, the youngest is 3, the middle is 5, and the eldest is 7.
How many helpers in the house?
Only me, ma'am.
So what did you do as their helper?
I do prepare the needs of the kids, cleaning their house, mopping the floor, washing the clothes, ironing clothes, and washing dishes.
You go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
You go alone or with madam?
With madam.
How often you do marketing with madam?
Once a week, ma'am.
Once a week. And you have your own room here, you need to share room with the kids.
On room, ma'am.
So you have your own room. You have day off before in Dubai?
Yes, ma'am.
What day?
Sunday, ma'am.
Sunday. Okay. Why you did not finish or why you did not renew your contract with your employer before?
Because I want to go another country to get any experience again, ma'am.
No, what I mean is you only stay for 2 years in your...
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But you said you stay in Dubai
Yes,
for 6 years.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the reason you did not continue working in your employer in Dubai?
Because my boss is not renew my contract.
Yeah. What's the reason? After finishing contract. Because you said you worked for 6 years, but you
Yes.
only worked for 2 years here.
Yes, ma'am.
So where's the other years in Dubai working?
I work in a company, ma'am.
So after working in your employer, you work for a company
Yes, ma'am.
as a
Packer, ma'am.
packer. Okay. How long you work here?
4 years, ma'am.
4 years. Okay. Now you planning to work in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
For what reason?
Because I want a new experience, ma'am, for working in Hong Kong.
So just the experience only? You want to work in Hong Kong?
Not only, ma'am. I want to give my kids good future, and give their needs, ma'am.
Who will look for your kids if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother and my sister, ma'am.
Okay. And are your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until my employer needs my service, ma'am.
If your employer wants to, your day off will not be on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
It's okay, ma'am.
Are you willing to cook for or learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you also willing to look for a newly born baby and elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Anytime.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Marites. I promise I can do anything. I'm fast learner.
Will you promise to do your duties as a helper?
Yes, ma'am. I can promise I will do my duties to work your house. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2377.